I am going to watch Two Girls in One Cup. I literally just threw up on the ground. This video is so disgusting. Wait a second, they are throwing up into each other's mouth. Oh my god! I'm gonna throw up. I wanna stop watching this. Caillou, what are you watching? Is that Two Girls One Cup? Oh my gosh, they are throwing up. Stop watching this. Did the video make you throw up? It's gonna make me throw up as well. Caillou, just stop watching this shit right now.